Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to be unboxing the newest Monday Night Wars WWE Elite with the Build-A-Figure. I have my small carton ready for the Build-A-Figure. So the first one we will unbox is Kane. Go, let's open this up. I think this is the first figure I have. I have him when he was fake Diesel. I think this is the very first Kane figure. And all the things they're putting there. Look, they've even got a plastic thing that's not even connected to anything. I mean, there's no need for all this really, is there? There's the big red machine. Bit so we can get the full figure in. Monday Night War, Kane. Cool. I'll put him next to my Undertaker with my pallbearer. So the next one we have is one I already have a figure of. It is British Bulldog, but you can never have too many Bulldogs, can you? Let's open this up. Extra hands. Get those out. The Build-A-Figure legs are out. And 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just 4 this time. There is Davey Boy. I can't display it like this really because that's exactly his pose of the other Davey Boy I have, so I'll have to find a way to display it differently. And we have the height difference between Bulldog and Kane. Cartman is patiently waiting. Next one we have is the 5-time WCW champion, Booker T. The only other Booker T I have is the Harlem Heat one. We'll have that. We have alternate Booker hands. These are Build-A-Figure hands. And the Build-A-Figure arms. In the last Build-A-Figure set I had the wrong Razor Ramon body. I had the Cody Rhodes body on the Razor Ramon, which I still haven't had it fixed. I'm still waiting for them to send me a replacement on it. Booker comes with the World Television Championship. Change his hands around because I think I'll show you. I could do his hand open. I'll show him the 5 time. And the last figure in the set is a Hardcore Hack, which is pretty similar to the Sandman that was in the ECW and the Elite recently. And the build for the body. I think I will need to get a small Cartman sticker to put on. Notice this got no plastic on it at all. This is pretty cool actually. We have Hardcore Hack with the barbed wire and the kendo stick. That looks really cool. And let's build. That looks like he's right on. Let's see. That's him. And we have his hands, and we'll do one open. That hand's not going to go in there at all. Let's try the other one. Okay, see if we can do. See if I can do this one open. Wait, that have to be for him. Ah, there we go. Pop his head on. Head's on. Body onto legs. Clip down. And we have the main reason I was looking forward to getting this. We have Oddities Golga. And can he hold Cartman? He can hold it if I do it like that. Yeah, I can get it when it's there. I'm going to go standing down. go. Golga with the Cartman, and all 5 figures for the set. Kane, Hardcore Hack, Bulldog, Booker T with the title. Go, that's a really cool set actually. I say I was going to buy the recent one with the Build-A-Figure Finkel, but I've already got figures of all 4 of the ones but included in that, and I don't need another set. They look really cool. I'm really happy with those. So there we go, thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with some more unboxings.